Hey beautiful crown queen, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be turning my hair from basic to baddie. So watch and see how I did it and watch and see if the style was successful. I am starting off with sectioned, damp and detangled hair. I am going to be using my homemade flaxseed gel as my moisturizer of choice. Feel free to use your leave-in conditioner as that works as well. Just gonna further section my hair out to tiny square bits. Now it's not so tiny, but it's just enough to make sure that the style works. I'm going to be applying my Eco Styler gel through the length of my hair, and then I am going to start swirling. So as you can see from this video, I started a swirling from my roots, and I'm just using my left hand to hold it in place so that the roots are tight, and then I am using my two fingers after my thumb to do the swirling, and I'm going to keep doing this motion till I get to the end, until I feel like the hair is secure enough, and then once that's done I'll move on to the next section. So like I said before, you're going to apply your Eco Styler gel through the length of your hair, and then you're going to start swirling. You start from your roots, hold it in place with your left hand to make sure that it doesn't unravel, and also to reduce tension as you're swirling, and then you keep doing this to the length of your hair. As you can see guys, it's going really well. So I'm just going to keep quiet here, and I'm going to let you observe and like really look and see the technique that I am using so that you can recreate it on your hair. If you've liked what you've seen so far, I would really like you to like this video, because it really shows YouTube that I'm putting out something valuable. Also, subscribe to this channel for more important and valuable hair content like this. So at this point the lighting changed, because welcome to Nigeria, they took the light, and I just had to keep going on because it was already too late to do something about it. I was so happy with how the hair had turned out so far, but unfortunately I didn't have hairband, so I came up with this very brilliant, not so brilliant idea to clip the hair. So this is one thing that you should not do. When you do your finger curls, do not clip the hair, because it's going to mess with the curls. I not only clipped the hair, I also twisted my hair around because I wanted the hair to dry out stretched, but that was a mistake. At this point I was still smiling because I don't know what I was in for. But taking out the clips the very next day was like, I was like, God, did I just waste my time? Because the clips had messed with some of the curls, so it made some parts unravel, it made some parts very frizzy, and then it didn't mess with the parts that wasn't touched by the clips. And this was how it was looking. I was like, yay. What's going on? Like, this was just tragic, but I knew that I still had to post this video because the technique was right. Just keeping it in place was where I made the error. So this was what I was looking at, and I was just trying to figure out, how do I make this work, because I'm already on my way to work and I need this to look presentable. So I decided to section my hair into three. I turned the first half to a fringe. I packed the second half up and I left the last down, and it was looking cute. I liked it. Subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.